Hey guys, today we're making the easiest tiered tray that cost me less than $15. I have a list of mini decor ideas I've been wanting to do. The best way to display minis is on a tiered tray, which I didn't have. Shopping around these things are pretty pricey, so the goal here was a fast, easy, and cheap tiered tray. Let's get started. You're going to want to go to Hobby Lobby when they're having their half off of their unfinished wood crafting supplies. I went there with the intention of getting 2 wood rounds, but they were sold out. So as soon as you see that they're having the half off sale, go there the first day they're having the sale. I got these 2 wooden plates and I asked my husband to find the center for me and make a circle to where I could place my wooden candlestick. I will leave a link in the description box of a YouTube video that shows you how to find the center of a circle. I'm lightly sanding the candlestick holder before I use wood glue to attach it to this wooden plate. Your best bet to find a wooden candle holder is going to be a thrift store. You can find these all the time for around $1. Another place to get them would be Hobby Lobby. Any unfinished wooden candle holder would work great for this. Amazon has them as well. After I glued the candlestick holder in the center of the larger plate, I put the bottle of glue on it to weight it down and I let it dry for several hours before continuing. Once that's set up a little bit, I then glued the smaller plate to the top of the candle holder. You can absolutely leave this as it is, or you can give it feet. I thought it would look a little bit better raised up off of the table just a little bit. And an affordable option, what I'm doing is Walmart has these wooden knobs, a 10-pack for $10, so they're $1 a piece, and I'll just be using 3. I used a good wood glue to assemble this whole thing. You can go back after you glue it and put in some screws or long staples or brad nails or whatever you would like to do, but I'm leaving it just as it is, held together with wood glue. It's very sturdy. Once the glue has set up, it's done, and you can finish it any way you like or leave it the plain natural wood. The top plate is essentially a 12-inch plate, and so it fits a standard 12-inch cake plate cloche, which I thought was nice. That way, if I ever want to cover the top tier, I could use that. I finished my tiered tray with Antique Wax by Waverly, and I bought a bottle of the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. I'll probably give it a coat, although I don't like a glossy finish, so I'll probably do it anyway because I do want this to be washable. I wouldn't ever put this in the dishwasher, but just to make it more washable in the sink, I think it would be a good idea to put a coat of that Mod Podge on it. I'm looking forward to making some minis, so keep your eye out for that video soon. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.